Music has taken vibe-based listening to another level, as it now lets you make playlists based on your mood. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. With the release of iOS 26.4, Apple Music's Playlist Playground can now generate playlists with the help of AI. Best of all, you don't need an iPhone with Apple Intelligence to take advantage of the new feature. As long as you're a US Apple Music subscriber with your language set to English, you can start using Playlist Playground right now. Right now, there are two ways to access Playlist Playground. For the time being, the company is highlighting the feature within the Top Picks for You section of Apple Music's Home tab. If you don't see a shortcut there, Apple integrated the feature into the app's existing playlist creation tool. Just tap the new icon found in the Library tab. From there, you can tap the Playlist Creation button, write a prompt describing the mood or style of music you want to hear, and voila! Apple Music will create the playlist based on your mood. And if you don't know what you want to listen and just want to try out this new feature, Apple provides a selection of sample prompts. One pro tip, it's possible to use metadata in conjunction with Playlist Playground. For example, after Apple Music generates a playlist, you can tell Apple's model to edit it by removing any songs released before 2016. Of course, you're also free to add and remove songs manually as you please. Once you're happy with your new playlist, Apple Music treats all Playlist Playground mixes like it does any other playlist, meaning you can save it to your library, download for offline playback, play it from your Apple Watch, and share it with your friends and invite them to add songs. Have you already tried this new feature? Tell us in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.